I'm sorry. I'm spilling my guts out. But you always understood. Please don't tell anyone.
Before you do that.
Baby, please secure me. Secure my feelings. No, honestly, honey, secure me.
God.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Hi guys, ang daming love letter dito guys. Meron dito, oh sabi pa ni Tami. Sabi pa ni Tami, open it. Seems like it's international. She got a girlfriend. Yugoslavia. Where the heck is Yugoslavia? It's a long thing, I'll read you some. I'm sorry, I'm spilling my guts out. But you always understood. Please don't tell anyone. Margie thinks I'm having a good time. I don't want her to worry about me. She cut my trip down even shorter. You're first and only one to know. Besides my parents, I'll be coming home to September. I hate it here so much. So what is this? I've seen and learned enough. I'll be getting my teeth done and coming home. I never knew how much I really love America. Maybe in a few years I'll come back and stay on my own. Maybe, just maybe, I'll see things differently. But right now, I want to be back where I belong, New York. Tammy, when I get back, will you go out for dinner or drink and I'll fill you in? I don't have enough paper or patience to write. Time to go. Be back soon. Love always, Gloria. P.S. I do nothing at night and I even been to a disco bar. Yeah, and you know what year is this, guys? 1984. This is the year that I was born. June, April, May, May, June. I was 2 months old. I was 2 months old. Seriously, guys. I was 2 months old. Tommy is dating with a lot of women already from abroad. Okay, this is another international, I guess. My dearest Tommy, hi. I'm so happy you wrote. So far, you're the second person to honor me. I you also, how are you? I hope you're the best and well. I'm doing well in Yugoslavia. I still believe I answer your question before I and I got some problem. I have to wash my bowl. I have to do my butt. As for the language and working alone. What the fuck is this? So tell me what have you been up to? How's work? And all your girlfriends are they treating you right on what? Not just write their names down and I'll take care of them. What the fuck? Anyway, Tommy, I want to comment on your fabulous handwriting. It's beautiful. Yeah, Tommy have a really beautiful handwriting. Garbage. 1984, guys. I was like, oh my god, I was born this year. Wanna see old Tommy's old TV, guys? Very old. Grabe. Ang tanda ng ano nito. What is this? Dito pa yung ano, may remote. Volume. Power. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really turn the light on. Ngayon, tinapon ko na yung mga ano. Tingnan natin kung mag-work pa ba ito. Oh, it still work. Okay. So now I can close that because I don't want Bill can see me in this ugly bedroom. Hindi siya, tumulong siya kaunti. Pero, ano tawag ito? Ay, ang tawag nun. Hindi ko siya pinaisti ng matagal dito kasi yung liquid niya, at least meron akong na-accomplish. Yung telephone dito ni Tami, ito yan. Kasi may telepono siya dito sa room lock. Look. And then may pangalan. Oh, sino? Ito yun, Oli. Ex-girlfriend niya yan. So, ngayon, kasi naghihintay ako kung kailan siya matapos. Mamaya pa yun matapos. Nag-coffee pa daw siya. Mag-coffee pa daw siya. So, ang dami pa. Kakaiba itong asawa ko kapag mag-ano, guys. Hindi marunong mag-ano. Hindi man malinis, pero at least alam ko na kung ano. Okay. To wish you good luck. Who is this? The Tam. To my baby, if ever there was sky of blue, it rose the day of me and you. Like stars that sparkle in the night, you light the path for love inside. As if you glove around my heart, your love brought me warmth right from the start. Only vision of you, of your body close to mine, forever to the end of time. Remember, I will always be grateful. God give you to me. Happy 3-month anniversary, love. Ito yung mga babaeng nag-cheat sa kanya. Isa lang yung babaeng hindi nag-cheat sa kanya. Yung parang first love talaga niya is yung pangalan Jackie. So yun yung babae daw na hindi daw nag-cheat sa kanya. May roses pa, oh. So, yun daw yung babaeng hindi nag-cheat sa kanya. Pero lahat ng yung iba na naging niya is nag-cheat. What is going on? What is going on?
A little squirrel, somebody squished him in the street.
Really?
Yeah.
And what the guys
It must have been you when we got here.
Hi, honey. Blame me again?
No, I figure.
Okay. So what is that guy saying?
He says that, a lot of disease from the people. He said, I work with animals, with animal control, because I don't realize how much disease from the bag. He goes, I'll pick them up and put them in it.
You wash your hand?
No.
You don't even have a mask and you're talking to that person.
Yeah, well, he was probably running over here to get food.
Oh, maybe that's the fat one. Maybe we killed that fat squirrel. Can you put food? I'll go get it.
No, I'll put it tomorrow.
You do? I feel bad. I hope.
What's he doing to the birds here, so?
Well, I hope that's not the fatty.
I don't know.
Guys, I in love with that two fatty squirrel. I know it's.
I feel bad for him. And they squished him good. I mean, they
really?
He got hit right by the tires. He didn't like.
Oh shit! Really? That's it? No leave?
What?
No leave?
Well, at least he died quick. But he was squashed all over the place. You see the blood was quick like that.
Holy cow! Oh, that breaks my heart. That breaks my heart. So that guy is like, oopsie. Go. This hour there's a lot of people walking on the street. Oops. Okay, go. Oh my God.
His jacket was bright color enough.
Yeah, it's bright enough, but I'm already halfway here. She doesn't even stop, seriously. Oh, squirrel! This guy, nothing.
He's got lights.
No, nothing.
Look, on the edge of the roof.
Oh, there is?
Yes, he's got lights. It's just not on yet.
Garden, the yard, in the summer, they have a very nice one.
This woman who lives there, she's always working in the yard.
Oh.
The woman who lives here.
Yeah.
She's like bulimic. She's like a pencil like this.
I know, you keep talking to me about that. This house I like.
Yeah.
I like this house.
I always remember this house. We were talking on Halloween. The woman would come downstairs with all the candy and sit at the bottom of the stairs. So the kids would have to go up and down those stairs.
Yeah. That house, honey, it's really nice. Like I look at the map. Nice.
So she would sit there all night long with a big thing of candy.
Really?
To give to the kids, yeah.
But it's not happening when I was here.
Yes, I like the stone.
I like the stone. There's no lights. It's sad.
Well, it's a little early yet. People's lights aren't on yet because
I miss this train station. Going back to work, going home, going to the city. I drive you here, remember? Okay guys, we are heading home now. Do I have tissue here? My nose is kinda itchy. Tickly. So this guy is backing up, I know.
No, you took the tissue thing away.
No, because that's empty. It's in the back.
Oh, you got a little box.
You got a box? Oh, I got it. Oh my god, my nose is so dirty, hon. Oh my god, my nose is so dirty.
Yeah.
Oh, it's blood. My nose is bleeding.
Great. Now we're gonna be twins.
That's it. Thank you. Hi guys, we are home. Yung dalawang aso is nagloko. Hindi ba nagloko? Naluka. Hi Babag, how are you? How are you? Come to mama. Come here. Come. What you doing? How are you doing? How you doing? Dabuz ba? Dabuz na. How you doing? Come mama. Come up now. You don't want to? Okay, fine. Kailangan ko kukunin yung tripod ko, guys. Andun pala sa yung tripod ko. Andun sa sasakyan. And Tammy is already busy. Sunod ng sunod. What do you need? What do you need? Look at your tongue. What is it? You happy, Mitz? Oh, what is it, love? No, I just give you a kiss and a huggy. I did. Let's go. I don't really understand. Look at her.
I was hungry.
Oh, she run. She knows that you're getting food and look, she run. Come to mama. Stay here with mama. You want dinner? Come here. Come. Come. Just if you want.
No, I don't. Why are you asking?
I love you, baby monkey. I do, cutie pie. I love my monkey. You're so cute now. You're so cute now. I love you. Where is your bonesy? Where is your bonesy? Where is your bonbon? Where is it? Where is your bonbon? I love you. You've been crying. I can see your eyes. She been crying, Han. Han, you don't believe me. Your daughter, Han, her eyes is like so wet. That means she cried. I know her, Han. She's my daughter. She always cry when we don't come home, like, early. And that happens a lot of time. We watch, tinitingnan namin sa camera, guys. Si Misty talaga yung iyak ng iyak. And then when we come home, I can see her eyes. She cried.
Probably Roxy was licking him.
Come here, monkey. You should cry, baby. You're a cry, baby. I love you. Yes, you are my baby. Lovely mama, na. There's the big one, the big one. Roxy, where you going, baby? Where you going? Ko pagkalaki. Din. Oh my God, Daddy get some talkie. Daddy get some talkie, baby. Yes, Daddy did get some talkie. Yes. Thank you, Dada. He's the best husband, guys, ever. Pin in the neck, but the best. I love you.
What are you doing when you insult me and then say, I love you?
No, I love you.
I insult you, I love you.
What I insult you? I don't insult you.
Hand back.
Well, that's written in your birth certificate. Honey, that's written in your birth certificate, hon.
No, it's a thin S.
Hard head, pin in the neck, doesn't listen, everything. It's in your birth certificate. It's the middle name of your mom, and you get it.
When I was born, my mom said, "Oh, look, what a treasure!" My father said, "Quick, let's take him outside and bury him."
Really? No. He's just What a treasure. You're not the first guy, right? You are?
No.
Louis is older, Han?
Right.
Oh, really? Louis is older, Han? Andrea is younger, right?
Yeah.
Si Andrea is follow you?
Yeah.
Also, Susie, Louis, you, Andrea, and Isabel? Okay. So you're the third one. So you are the bump, speed bump. Speed hump. Humpy Dumpy. Humpy Dumpy. Tom is in the middle. You know what in the middle is like? Oh my God, they have something in the brain that you can fix.
We're trying. But like I said, it's got a lot more bite to it than a jalapeno cheese. And most of the things that we enjoy doing, we can't do anymore. The only thing we can do anymore is the shit that we never liked doing to begin with.
My husband is crazy.
Call your doctor today and ask about polio.
It's time to wash this and this. Oh God. Maglaba tayo ng mga coat, guys. Kasi, oh my God, nilagay ko na, nahulog pa rin. Yun lang yung laban natin. And what, Tommy? Huh?
Why don't you want a burger?
No, I don't want burger. Where did you see me eat burger, really? I don't know why you start cooking while it's ready to eat. Oh, start cooking. Yes, so yun, nag-start siya, nagluto na, ready na, it's time to eat. What is wrong with him?
What?
That's frozen, it will cook forever. You think you can fix this frame that you give to mom?
I hope so.
Yeah, that's a nice one, hon. You just bought it and then few years later, you crop. So yun guys, kakain lang kami. And I think I'm going to end this vlog, guys. I'm exhausted today because of reading all that love letters from his bedroom. I kind of exhausted reading all that love letters. There's a lot of them.
And some of them were from before she was born.
No, it's 1984 really. 2 months after
Because there was one that was 1977.
Oh yeah, there's 1977, yeah. And also guys, 1984 June, 2 months. I was 2 months old. And there is a love letter from Yugoslavia. Where's the hun? Yugoslavia? Yugoslavia, where is it?
Not here.
Yeah, I know, but where?
Yugoslavia.
Why is she kinda...
It's a country.
Seems like she is not your girlfriend.
No, we had a little something going on. She was about your size.
Oh my God, you remember?
She was very short, yeah.
What's her name?
Gloria.
And do you remember her face? Oh God, she's about my size. The way she talk, she's like, oh my God, my family. I don't like my family here, and I miss America. How did you meet her? Yeah, so why she was here and then go back over there, and she said she like America better.
Can I say?
Yeah, but why? How did she come
She
here?
must have been here at school. We ended up coming out.
School. And how old are you when that was 1984?
I don't know.
No, how old? 25?
84, 25.
25 years old? Oh my God, hon.
I was no kid. Stop putting your dish here.
Oh my husband is chochilong and another woman. Oh, I cannot handle the chochilong.
I gotta microwave my bun before you. I gotta microwave my hamburger bun before you do that.
Baby, please secure me. Secure my feelings. No, honestly, honey, secure me.
God.
Secure me. Say something. No.
I love you. Are you making yourself crazy? Because stuff that happened before you were born is just nutty to me.
2 months, hon.
And you couldn't even make poo-poos.
I love you. Oy. Honey, you have to secure my feelings because if it's unsecured, you will be unscrewed. Honey. Honey, you need to cook it more because you know it's frozen.
It's fine.
It's frozen. Don't poison yourself.
I know how I like
Oh my God, honey. Ay, naku, make a mess. Okay, Sine, bye-bye na that we can eat. Bye, guys. Remember, I'm exhausted. I will be talking this for years. So, okay guys, the camera is tired of me. The camera is tired of me. Napapagod yung camera. Namamatay lang sa kanya. He died. Oh my God. Okay guys, bye. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, mga ka-everything family. Bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bye, honey.
Bye, hon.
Honey.
Bye, hon. Bye, hon.
Bye guys. Bye-bye. He's happy because he read the love letter.